Basil, tomato, chicken, and pasta. I think I invented this. Watch this. Smell the basil all day. It's fantastic. I've got a jalapeno here, a little extra kicker, a little extra heat. I'm gonna add some red chili flakes as well. I've got a nice assortment of tomatoes in here, a couple of chicken breasts. Be sure to bring your chicken breasts up to room temperature, so out of the fridge about 10 minutes prior to cooking. I'm going to butterfly and slice. It'll cook them a little bit faster. Then I'll season them up, and then in the pan they go. At the same time, I'm gonna cook up my pasta, have that ready, and then add everything back into the same pan, and I think we're gonna have a fantastic dish. The only thing I'm missing tonight, unfortunately, is Parmigiano, and I don't feel like running across the road to the grocery store. It's right over there, though. I could see it. Let's get to work. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! Amore, when the moon hits your eye. And peel that out, just like that. Okay. And do the same. I'll be honest, I want to use these before they spoil.
Okay, now let's go ahead. We're adding in that chicken to the hot pan with some olive oil. We'll season it up with a pinch of salt, some pepper, even some dried oregano and dried basil. Move that around just to ensure that it's not going to stick. Now that we've turned that chicken over, we'll go ahead and make some space, add in some chopped onions and garlic. We'll let that caramelize a little bit, and then we'll toss that around with that chicken. The aromas and the flavors from this dish are just fantastic. There go the jalapenos. We'll add in those tomatoes and give that another quick toss. And you'll see me there. I'm just going to go ahead and season again. Just a little pinch of salt, pepper. Again, dried oregano, dried basil. All right, we're ready for some action. This is looking great. That's a little bit of the pasta water. I'd like to add that in as well. Once that's in, and we're just going to bring it to a light boil, I go ahead and add in my fresh basil. I like bigger chunks of that basil in there, and there are those red chili flakes. Oh yes. Now that boils a little bit too high. Let's turn that heat down and add in our heavy cream. I'm using just under 1 cup of that heavy cream, and I'm going ahead and adding in my pasta. Got some nice fettuccine tonight. I've got that a little bit more than al dente first, and then I'm adding it in to let it finish the cooking process right in that nice cream sauce with the chicken. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and plate this up in just a second.
Look how delicious this looks. Wow. There you go, everybody. I need a name for this. I think I invented it. I think I invented this tonight. I'm kidding. But fresh basil in there, tomato cream sauce, the chicken. It's going to taste fantastic. It has to. I've added a few extra red chili flakes. Let's go. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, follow the channel, follow the page. That way you can see more great, easy recipes, homemade recipes right from my kitchen. You can be a master chef in your own kitchen. Let's go. Wow, I don't know what to start with. Chicken. Look at it, it's still steaming. Probably gonna burn. What would they charge for this in a restaurant? $35? I don't even know anymore. I don't know. But Uncle Drew's kitchen, I have leftovers in case you're wondering. Look, that's still steaming. It's gonna be very hot. I'm gonna burn. Let me try this first. Okay. Oh yes.